Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can delete someone from the admin in your group in WhatsApp. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to put your likes and also write your comments after watching this video. So, let us get down to our topic. And to begin with, open the WhatsApp offer on your phone and then go to the chat section. Now go to the group that you would like to remove the person from the admins. Next, at the top, tap on the name of that group and scroll down a little bit to the Members section. Here you can find the person who is an administrator. But let me tell you right away, in order to remove someone from being an admin in a WhatsApp group, you need to be an admin yourself or the creator of that particular group. So, after you have found that person, go to that person. And here, select this option right here, Remove from Admin. And as you can see, with one click, this person is no longer an administrator in this group. Friends, with this very simple method you can quickly and easily remove someone from the admin in your WhatsApp group. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write comments, put your likes. See you soon.